Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make a fast motion video in CapCut. So here I've already imported a clip and I want to make this video into a fast motion video. So what you guys need to do is just fasten up the speed by clicking on the clip and go to speed feature on CapCut. Here there will be two options. I'm going to just go with the normal, and in here to fasten up or make it fast motion video, you just need to drag the green dot here to the right, and you can choose the speed as you like. For example, I'm going to make it 3 times faster, and please be note that the duration will be shortened like this. From 20-22 seconds it will become 7.5 seconds only. So if you're done, just click on the check icon and you can see the result in here. It will become a fast motion video like this. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to click thanks or like this video, comment if you have any question, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.